Get your US visa in 2025. Easy step-by-step guide. Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name. Have you been dreaming about those iconic New York City skyscrapers or snapping a selfie with Lady Liberty? Getting a US visa can feel like navigating a maze, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire US visa process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're dreaming of a quick vacation, aiming for that American education, or planning to hustle it out in the land of opportunity. Stick around to the end because I'm sharing some golden nuggets of information that could be the difference between getting that "congratulations" email and facing another rejection. Alright, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk visa types. The US has a whole alphabet soup of visas, each with its own purpose and requirements. For most of you, you'll likely be eyeing either the B1/B2 tourist visa, perfect for sightseeing, visiting friends and family, or attending short business conferences. Then there's the F1 visa, the go-to for students looking to experience the American education system. And for all you tech wizards and skilled professionals, the H1B might be your ticket to the big leagues. If you're from India, Bangladesh, or a few other countries, you'll need to go the traditional visa route. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, head over to the official source of all things US visa, the US Department of State website, specifically travel.state.gov. Think of it like your visa Bible. Browse through the different visa categories, read the descriptions carefully, and figure out which one aligns perfectly with your purpose of travel. Trust me, getting this part right from the get-go will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Remember, honesty is key here. The US Embassy is thorough with their background checks, and the last thing you want is to jeopardize your chances. Once you've got your visa type locked in, it's time to tackle the infamous DS-160 form. This online form is basically your formal application to the US government. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate and matches the information on your supporting documents. Any discrepancies, even tiny ones, can raise red flags and potentially lead to delays or rejections. Take your time, double-check everything, and consider it your first test on the road to getting that US visa. Chapter 4. Step 3. Paying the visa fee. It's an investment in your American dream. Now comes the part where you've got to part with some of your hard-earned cash. The US visa application fee is currently around $160 for the B1/B2 visa, but it can vary slightly depending on the type of visa you're applying for. Think of it as an investment in your American adventure. You can usually pay the fee online using a credit card or debit card. Once you've made the payment, make sure to save your receipt. You'll need this as proof of payment later on. Don't lose it. Chapter 5. Step 4. Booking your appointments. Two's a charm on the road to the USA. Get those calendars out, folks, because it's appointment booking time. You'll need to schedule 2 separate appointments. The first one is for biometrics, which means getting your fingerprints taken and a very charming photo of you for your visa. The second appointment is the big one, the interview at the US Embassy or consulate. This is where a consular officer will ask you some questions about your trip, your background, and your intentions in the US. Chapter 6. Step 5. Gathering your documents. Show them you're good to go. We're in the home stretch now. The last step before your interview is to gather all the necessary documents. Think of this as building your case to prove to the US Embassy that you're a responsible traveler who's definitely coming back home. You'll need your valid passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee receipt, and appointment confirmation letters. You'll also need to show proof of your financial stability. This could be bank statements, pay stubs, or even tax returns. The idea is to demonstrate that you can support yourself financially while you're in the US. Finally, you'll need to show strong ties to your home country, like proof of employment, property ownership, or family ties. Outro, congrats! You're ready to rock that US visa interview. Boom! There you have it, your step-by-step guide to navigating the US visa process like a pro. Remember, the key here is to be prepared, be honest, and be confident. The US visa process might seem daunting, but it's totally doable. Thousands of people do it successfully every single year, and there's no reason why you can't be one of them. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel tips, visa hacks, and everything you need to know to make your travel dreams a reality. Until next time, safe travels.